Looking for the best carpet cleaning solution? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 carpet cleaning solution on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Hoover Clean Plus Concentrated Solution Formula Carpet Cleaner and Deodorizer. Dependable for straightforward cleaning jobs and carpet maintenance. Concentrate is powerful and cost-efficient for multi-room use. A popular carpet cleaner that gets the job done. Concentrated formula is compatible with leading brand carpet cleaners. Not ideal for spot treatment. Manufacturer recommends pre-treating stains with a different product. Although many appreciate the fresh linen scent, it causes allergic reactions in others. At number 2. Nature's Miracle Stain and Odor Remover Carpet Shampoo. Inexpensive. Highly rated by pet owners to remove cat and dog urine and odor. Pro tip: shake the bottle before use to activate enzymes. Uses bioenzymatic technology to eat away odor and stains. Half the price of detergent cleaners and just as effective on pet urine. Product requires patience. Odor increases for 24 to 48 hours as enzymes work. For some, this ammonia-like smell is intolerable and does not dissipate. At number 1. Bissell Deep Clean Pro 2X Deep Cleaning Concentrated Carpet Shampoo. Top choice by long-time carpet cleaning consumers. Scotch Guard protection keeps carpets stain resistant. Concentrate twice as powerful as other leading formulas. EPA evaluated as a safer choice for pets and families. A highly reputable carpet cleaner for professional level results. Deep cleans dirt, stains, and odors while leaving behind a pleasant smell. Expensive. Only for upright deep cleaning machines. Better results when used with a Bissell machine. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.